large ship has been seen for 2 consecutive days near Myanmar across the Naf River border in Teknaf, Cox's Bazar, Bangladesh, and on that ship in the land of Myanmar. The shooting is going on from Wednesday, June 12 night to Thursday, June 13 afternoon. Loud sounds of gunfire and explosions are heard in the border area region of Teknaf, Cox's Bazar. After Thursday morning, the large ship was seen moving southwards and is currently anchored at Naf River in Teknaf and Nakhongdi, a point in the Bay of Bengal. And the sound of shells and mortar shells raining from that ship on the land of Myanmar continues.